Kubikwa ukuthi abantu abadala ababonakala kulomfanekiso wevideo bazivumele bona ukuthi bebebhema isidakamizwa esibizwa nge-Mandrex. Amalungu omphakathi athi kuyacaca ukuthi le ngane ibingaqali ukubhema.
I think when we look at how he lit the pipe, definitely we can conclude that it wasn't the first time. I mean, if you look at how he puts out the fire on that match, he does it so professionally, and for many it was a laughing matter. But when you look at the severity of what that child done there, that child is smoking a pipe with more experience than some drug users who has been using for years. And that's the sad thing. And I think what was more sad was the fact that those who took the video actually told him how to smoke more than just lit the pipe of those who were smoking.
Omakhelwane balomndeni bathi lesenzo sibaphathe kabi njengoba lo mfanyana ukhula phambi kwabo.
In that video it shows how the child is smoking the pipe. So it shows that it's not his first time or even a second time. We don't know how long has it been going on where the mother lets the son smoke drugs with her.
Inhlangano elwa nokuhlukunyezwa kwezingane i-Teddy Bear Foundation isigxeke kakhulu lesi senzo.
The damage to the brain, and if we just look at the neural pathways, the linguistic neural pathways of rewiring, reconfiguring and predisposing or acting as precursors to future problematic disturbances in this child's trajectory, apart from the brain damage, but even the addiction.
Lo mfanyana usagcinwe endaweni ephephile kanti abasolwa kulindeleke ukuba bavele enkantolo maduze.